I hope you're feeling good. We just did very short meditation, but it is a magic of your breathing, your pranayama. So, pranayama leads to meditation. When you do it right, even if you do it very less, it brings magic. When the breath goes silent, the mind goes silent. You have to allow it to be silent. It is a practice. It might be not same for everyone in the beginning. It requires practice, right? So when you will keep doing that again and again and again and again and again, then you will see that one day will come when you do not require any other prior practices. You will just sit and you are there. As Patanjali says in Yoga Sutra, when all three will be happening at the same time, that will be called samadhi, the experience of samadhi. All three, what three the Patanjali is talking about here? Dharana, dhyana, samadhi. All three together in a blink, in a fraction of a second. You just sit, you are there. You don't need to wait to get it transformed from dharana to dhyana to samadhi. No, that is the usual process. For a higher practitioner, it becomes sit and connect. Everything happens super quick within that fraction of second. Okay, so all this happens with practice, with practice, with practice, more and more and more and more and more practice. The more you can keep it still, the more you can keep it still, the more you will be still. That's what we did today with breathing practice. All right, right. So, how was your experience with this one?
Sir, I would like to share. We did almost for 20-23 minutes. Initially, first day जब start किया था, it was difficult, because the positions were not right, the asanas were, it was giving me pain. But today, for the first time in all these years, I have practiced yoga and pranayama. First day, I was not even very convinced about Bhastrika Pranayama usually, initially. Today is the first time I'm convinced about Bhastrika Pranayama, and I could feel the actual heat. My palms became sweaty, and I could feel the heat. And after every Bhastrika, I noticed or I felt maybe I was silent. There was no breath for almost 20 seconds. A breath, no, I exhaled and it was like silent for 20 seconds, and that is pranayama, I believe. Yeah,
Yeah,
because the first day yeah, because if first day you would have noticed, I was very uneasy. My mind was very, it was not
yes.
calm, and I was moving here and there. But these 2 days, I am feeling the difference. But the way you explain or the way you made us do, I wish to explain it to my clients or my students in the same way. But that would again require practice.
Okay, first of all, the voice is breaking, but I got it what you're saying. But I got it what you're saying. Maybe because of network connection, it is. It's okay. It's okay. I got it. Thank you so much, Shruti. Thank you. And this is just fourth day. Don't worry. By the end of 10th day, you will feel a lot of difference. This is just fourth day. Okay. All right. Great. Okay. Varshadi, was it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So first time I understood better Bhastrika. I was doing it, but somehow I understood correctly today, and I was enjoying. I can do
Good.
it actually, Bhastrika. And first time also I could experience that no breath state
Hmm.
while doing pranayama. I
Right.
experienced that. Even I
Hmm.
experienced first time in meditation, I could do meditate for some seconds, 2-3 seconds. I could meditate. Before it was not there, not at all. But I could do that. For
Okay.
Bhastrika, I understand thoroughly today, sir.
Normally, what happens in Bhastrika, people more focus on hands movement, and that's why today I just
Hmm.
drop the hands movement
Hmm.
completely. Otherwise, people are just here only,
Hmm.
and they don't know
Yeah.
what they are doing, right? So that's why I said you can do that. That's an option. For the beginners, we just make them do like, okay, when you're inhaling, move the hands up and we just make rhythm.
Yeah.
But then mostly people get confused with rhythm and the hands movement. So it's better keep your hands down and just focus on this.
But even I've confused if I doing opposite, like inhale, exhale.
Hmm.
But after the practice, it will go, I think.
Okay, when you
Hmm.
are inhaling, belly
Hmm.
will always come out.
Come.
Simple.
Hmm. So,
Simple funda.
so
Simple
initially we
funda.
have to keep a palm on
Yeah, you can do
belly.
that. You can do
Huh.
that.
Otherwise, in between, we confused while we
Speed
are
doesn't
learning.
matter. Speed does not matter in the beginning. What
Hmm.
matters is technique.
Hmm.
Technique matters in the beginning. So correct the technique first. Okay. When the technique is there, then you can speed up. Okay. First the
Hmm.
technique. Inaji, was it okay for you? You always stay very calm into that. I see that.
Yes, sir. Speechless, sir. Experience. Uh, स्पेशली कपालभाति एंड भस्त्रिका मीन्स अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूट अलग अलग टाइप से सिखा रहे हैं तो बेसिकली क्या राइट है मैं इसीलिए इस कोर्स में आई क्योंकि रेहब में जो यहाँ पे मुझे जो मिल रहा है वो मेरे लिए मीन्स एकदम करेक्ट है तो आज रियल में पता चला कि एग्जैक्टली कपालभाति क्या है एंड भस्त्रिका क्या है एंड उसका बेनिफिट उसका एक्सपीरियंस मैंने किया सर तो सारा डाउट क्लियर सर कपालभाति एंड भस्त्रिका के रिलेटेड एंड सर ये दोनों शुद्धि क्रिया है राइट तो बस इससे इतने सारे बेनिफिट होते हैं कि माइंड एकदम काम तो जो केवल कुंभक की बात करते हैं हम उसका तो कितना डिवाइन एक्सपीरियंस होगा सर थैंक यू सो मच सर थैंक यू सो मच बोलते हैं ना सर गुरु कोई भी रूप में आके आपको हेल्प करता है तो थैंक यू सर
Yeah, so I also learned it with my gurus, and I'm just sharing what I've learned it from my gurus, also with the experiences. So it is something like this only, which we have to carry on, right? We have to keep sharing the things in a right way, always. And yes, the Shunya Kumbhak, the Shunya Pranayama is something which you feel after doing Bhastrika and Pranayama, or Bhastrika and Kapalbhati. And we just did very small practice. We did not even do very big practice. We just did 3 rounds of just 30, 40, 50, 60 counts, right? Just that much. If you will start doing a Kapal Bhati, see, if you're fortunate enough to do Kapal Bhatis, like I can't do it because if I do it, I'm very pith dominant person. It is not good for me. So I don't do it much. All right. I do it little. But if you are fortunate enough to do Kapal Bhati, because if you have Kapha dominancy, then Kapha dominancy people can do it for more, right? You will feel ultimate. Apart from the body benefits, you get so much of relaxation at the same time, right? It is good, I know, but then body to body, I cannot because then I feel so much of heat, and then the effect of it remains throughout the day. It is not that just you just finish it and it's gone. No, no. Whatever you do, it is a snowball effect. Throughout the day, it will be there. You will feel like that. So it is something like whenever you do yogic practices in the morning, then throughout the day, you feel good about it. The day you miss, you feel like something is missing. You feel like that, oh, I'm not feeling energetic or something, right? It is that. So when you do like Kapalbhati Bhastrika, if you can do for longer, 5-10 minutes, you will feel a good effect in the body throughout the day. Higher energy, BMR, and all these things. Very nice. Very nice. My BMR is already super fast. I don't need it. If I will do it, then it will become super fast more. So I already have a lot of acid level inside my body. I don't need much. I need more alkaline activities rather than more acidic activities. Right? So you have to choose your practices according to your body type, and that's why we need to experience everything. But then we have to only give those things which is more favorable to the individual. We cannot just
सर
give that
हमें
okay, everyone will do Kapalbhati. No, you can't.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yes, Nitika ji.
सर हमें हमें क्लाइंट से कैसे पता चलेगा उनका पिथ है या कफ है
उनके सिम्टम्स से पता चल जाता है नितिका जी. You will get to know by the symptoms of a person. Person will tell you, okay, they feel lot of heat, they feel acidity, right? Or they will tell you that they are having high BP, they are having hernia, they are having a high blood pressure, something like this. So you will not let them do these things. But if person is saying, oh, I want to reduce weight, I don't have any other issue but just wait. Ah, Kapalbhati, come. We'll do Kapalbhati. With the right technique, do Kapalbhati in Bhastrika with them. Okay, so these are the symptoms which definitely will ask a person. Okay, Netika ji?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Like if I will ask
Clear.
you on the screen, if I will ask you on the screen, it is very easy. Okay, normally in detail we share in Ayurveda course, but here I'm just giving you an overview of it. Okay, just an overview. If I just need to ask, like if I will ask Suchiji, Suchiji, normally how do you feel? Normally, do you feel acidic in nature, or do you feel like kind of no metabolism very less, or you feel like no, I put on weight very fast? What is the condition? How does it
Ac-
feel?
Acidic most of the time. Uh, Acidic most of the time.
Acidic. So see,
Yeah.
so for her, I will not recommend it for so long. This much is okay. What we did today, this much is fine, more than enough. Because we did just 30 seconds, not more than that. This is okay. But I cannot recommend her 15 minutes. If you see Baba Ramdev ji, everyone is doing 15 minutes and 30 minutes. He is doing good. Say Kapalbhati is very nice, but he is claiming what and then doing what? Baba Ramdev ji is claiming what? He is claiming that it reduces 1 kg per minute, right? So basically, he's focusing on what? Weight loss.
Weight
For
loss.
weight loss people, it is good, no doubt, but not for everyone. But whole India is doing after watching him, and then if a person is pith dominant, will not get benefit, will get adverse effect. Getting me? So we need to understand that, right? So we need to understand that this is only the kriya which is good for the BMR increment and the cleansing. It's a kriya, cleansing, BMR. It will give you other benefits automatically. But you have to understand who should do, who should not do.
So there are some alkaline kriyas also. You said that you will, since you're acidic
Anulom
dominance,
Vilom.
you will not do.
Anulom Vilom, Chandra Vedan. Chandra Vedan. And Anulom. And a few more will come. Sheetli, Sheetkari, we will do later. Yes, Varshaji.
Huh, sir, body heat and acidity, it's same. Like some people complains that burning of soul, feet and hands, they are acidic or
Yeah, it mostly happens with acidity. Mostly happens with acidity. That body is becoming more acidic in nature. So that means they need to work on more deep breathings. And in the food, they should have more alkaline food, not acidic food. Like acidic is anything which is with your oily and too much of sweet, and all these things are more acidic in nature. So more
spicy.
green leafy vegetables and all those things, wholesome food are more good. More junk food are more acidic in nature. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Hina ji.
कफ इनबैलेंस लग रहा है सर, जैसे आपने बोला कि डाइट बहुत कम है लेकिन फिर भी वेट बढ़ रहा है, तो इस सिचुएशन में क्या मीन्स करना चाहिए, मीन्स कितने टाइम तक करना चाहिए?
You can definitely do Kapalbhati. It is not about the time in the beginning, like I said, right? It is not about the time in the beginning. It is about the quality of the pranayama in the beginning. So start with 1 minute, 2 minutes, then increase 3 minutes, then 4 minutes. It is all about continuity. You have to go continuous, right? 1 minute. In the beginning, you can do like sets, 1 minute, three. Then 1.5 minutes, three. Then 2 minutes, three. Then 3 minutes, three. Like this, you have to increase the time. Okay, then maybe later on for you it is very good, you can even do 15 minutes all the way in one go. It is not easy. It looks like 15 minutes, it is not easy at all. Trust me, the moment you will start to just 1 minute continuously, you will feel like breathless, right? So you have to build up time, and you can do up to 15 minutes easily. You should do it. Also Bhastrika, that is also very good for you, considering you should not be having other things, right? You will find people with kapha dosha, but then if it is too much of imbalance, people also have heart diseases, hypertension, high BP with that, then contraindication. Getting me? So you have to understand the conditions. It should not be like that per person is coming with other condition also with that, right? Because it is not only the pure kapha imbalance. No. what is coming with kapha imbalance as well? Are you also heart patient? Are you also IBP patient? Are you also hernia patient? You have to see that as well. You have to consider those contraindications also before giving any prescription. Okay. So then we have to modify, then we have to give less. And then also work on other asana. We can work on Surya Namaskara. We can work on Kapalbhati Kriya. We can work on diet and everything. It's a holistic approach. It is not only one thing. But if you do not have anything like that, it's only kapha, then you can carry on. You can keep doing Kapalbhati and Bhastrika if you don't have other things. Okay, Hinaji? Hinaji, did you hear what I said?
Yes, yes,
Yeah? Yeah?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Okay.
Okay, should I go ahead a little bit? Just 5 minutes. Let me just show you that, that Bhastrika details.